In today's video, I'm going to teach you a little bit more about tangent lines. And this particular problem is a little bit tiny more complicated. Okay, so let's go through it. So we have a problem here. It says AB is tangent to circle D. So this line here is tangent to D. So it just skims the top of the circle. What is the angle B? So we're trying to find this angle. So let's first review this problem. So this triangle here, notice that triangle ADF is an isosceles triangle. Since AD and AF are the same length, they are a radius of the circle. They are the radius of the circle. So this line length from here to here is the same length as from here to here. So that means these are exactly the same. Well, that means angle A is going to equal to 87 degrees as well because it's an isosceles triangle, right? Isosceles triangle. This angle, because these two sides are the same, these two angles are the same, okay? So angle F, this angle with the blue line, is equal to angle A with this blue line, okay? So that means this interior angle here is 87 degrees with this chord, okay? So now we can find angle D because the angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So we can add angle A, angle F, and angle D will give us 180 degrees. So we know these two angles, they're 87 degrees. We just need to solve for angle D. Okay, so angle D works out to 6 degrees. So this is 6 degrees here. So now, since AB is tangent to circle D, then AB is perpendicular to AD. So whenever we have a tangent line, that means that this line here, the radius touching this tangent line, will be perpendicular. So that means this angle is going to be 90 degrees, this angle that goes to the purple line, okay? So we could see that this angle is 90 because of the little red box. Okay, so angle ABC is a right triangle with the hypotenuse DB, okay? So actually we don't need to use Pythagorean theorem. We already have our angles. Angle D we solve for is 6. And we know this is 90 degrees, and now we just have to solve for angle B, which equals 180 degrees. So all the angles, when you add up the angles of a triangle, they equal 180 degrees. So when you solve for this, we put in angle D equals 6, and then we solve for angle B. Angle B equals 84 degrees right here. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video. And you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.